Crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to Quantum Cactus, your go-to channel for everything crypto. Today we're diving into Orbiter and Linea Airdrops, so buckle up and let's get started. First things first, let's head over to the Orbiter Finance website. You can find the link in the description below. Our mission today is simple. Bridge 3 times from any network to Linea. We're choosing Polygon for this. By doing this, we'll earn 30 points and complete half of the missions. And guess what? The deadline is December 18th, coinciding with Wave 0 in Linea Voyage. A coincidence? I think not. Now let's scroll through the O points window. We're heading over to Cactus to grab a new OAT in collaboration with Izumi Finance. But first,
Click like it, subscribe for a non-stop content ride.
look at that! The bridge quest is already completed. Next, we're off to X to check out Izumi Finance and Orbiter. And yes, we've nailed it there too. Quick stop at Izumi's Discord to verify our progress. All good here. Now, let's switch gears to the Linea Voyage page. Don't worry, the link is right in the description. Here, we'll complete the core task and some bonus tasks with just one transaction. In Linea Voyage, let's hit Wave 3. We'll start with Getting Started, then tackle the core task and 2 bonus tasks in one transaction. This also covers part of the Galaxy quests. For a seamless experience, we're using Izumi Finance, one of the supported DEX. We're looking for the WSTTH token to make a $25 swap in ETH post slippage. After the swap, it's back to Linea Voyage for verification. A little patience, and there it is. The core task is verified. Now, on to verifying the first and fourth bonus tasks. And for the grand finale, we'll write a review of our favorite dApp associated with Linea. No need to mint it as an NFT, just share your thoughts. Heading back to Galaxy now. Our next mission? Add at least $25 worth of liquidity to any pair. Back at Izumi Finance, we're swapping about half of our WSTETH for ETH. Then, it's off to the Liquidity tab to find the WSTETH ETH pool. We'll add liquidity and wait for Galaxy's verification. And now, we're gearing up for the final play in our crypto strategy. It's all about bridging through the Orbiter website, and we're doing it not once, not twice, but in 3 distinct transactions. This is crucial for racking up those last few points we need. Our destination? We're heading straight to Scroll. That's right, we're positioning ourselves perfectly for the upcoming airdrop. But how exactly do we do this? You must be wondering. Well, the good news is, I've laid it all out for you in another video. Just click on the card popping up right here at the top. It's your step-by-step guide to mastering this move. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Now let me talk to you about Linea. Linea represents a massive leap in the evolution of consensus ZK EVM. It's not just any platform, it's a developer-friendly ZK rollup, powered by consensus, and it's set to revolutionize how dApps are built on Ethereum. Imagine a world where Ethereum builders can innovate without the constraints of cost or scalability. That's the world Linea is creating. It's a bridge connecting Ethereum's past, present, and its potential future. In Latin, Linea means line, and developers on this platform are truly on the forefront of what's possible in Web 3. But why all the hype, you ask? Well, Linea isn't just another Layer 2 solution. It's a game changer. With its innovative prover design, Linea offers faster transaction speeds, reduced gas costs, and all without sacrificing security. This is huge for developers and users alike. And here's the best part. Linea is designed to be incredibly user-friendly. It's highly composable, offering flexibility and scalability. Even if you're not a zero-knowledge tech expert, Linea makes it easy to build or migrate dApps. So, why is it essential to keep the hype going for Linea? Simple. The more we talk about it, the more developers and users join the platform. This collective effort helps Ethereum scale effectively, making the entire ecosystem more robust and innovative. It's time for Orbiter Finance. Orbiter Finance is at the forefront of Ethereum's evolution, powered by ZK Tech. It's an Ethereum acceleration engine that's boosting the performance of Layer 2 solutions and slashing gas consumption. That's right, faster and cheaper transactions are now a reality. Orbiter is all about enhancing interoperability. With its decentralized solution, It's constructed across rollup protocol. This means safe, cost-effective, and high-speed transfer of messages or assets across different rollups. Imagine the possibilities. But why is Orbiter so crucial for Ethereum's future? Well, it's simple. Orbiter is not just improving current systems, it's paving the way for a more interconnected and efficient Ethereum network. By leveraging ZK Snark's recursion-proof technology, it's advancing both interoperability and scalability. Orbiter's goal is ambitious yet vital. It aims to enable cross-rollup transactions, improving Ethereum's interchain compatibility. This means real-time synchronization between rollups and the mainnet, and all this with the lowest network costs imaginable. So, why should we be excited about Orbiter? Because it's not just an upgrade, it's a transformation. It's about making Ethereum more accessible, more efficient, and ready for the future of decentralized applications. And that's a wrap for today's guide. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto insights. Stay tuned for our next adventure, and remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge is power.